Despite many outstanding features, many leading technology companies still have a headache finding ways to fully exploit AI. It's been almost a year since OpenAI launched GPT-4, the most complex artificial intelligence model and the brain of ChatGPT with groundbreaking features. After its inception, AI has brought $6 trillion to technology companies, including the giants, Meta, Amazon, Apple, Alphabet, Microsoft, etc. For some technology companies, businesses' rising revenues helped push their stock prices soaring. On February 21, in its fourth quarter 2023 results report, NVIDIA said AI had helped increase the company's value to $2 trillion. In addition, the stock prices of some giants such as Alphabet, Amazon, and Microsoft also began to see a sudden increase thanks to heavy spending on technology. However, AI software sales by tech giants are still relatively low. Over the past year, artificial intelligence accounted for only about 1/5 of the revenue growth at Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing division, and related services. Although Alphabet and Amazon do not disclose their AI-related sales, analysts predict that they will be lower than Microsoft's. In order to maintain the growth of the AI stock market, at some point, companies will need to get more serious about this potential field, starting with selling artificial intelligence software to customers. In addition, businesses around the world, from banks to consulting firms to movie studios, are expected to begin deploying ChatGPT-like tools on a large scale. However, they must also be cautious in using AI to avoid causing unwanted consequences. Similar to previous technological revolutions with profound effects on the economy, such as the birth and popularity of the typewriter in 1888, a large number of workers in New York, USA lost their lives. Jobs, or the development of computers has forced agencies to eliminate some administrative positions, etc. AI can also create similarly profound changes, although there is currently no data to show the extent AI's specific contribution to increasing economic productivity. According to a recent survey by the Boston Consulting Group, the majority of corporate executives said it would take them at least 2 years to confirm the effectiveness of AI. Meanwhile, Oliver Wyman, another consultant, said that artificial intelligence still cannot boost productivity. Currently, it's not surprising that most companies aren't using ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, Microsoft's Copilot, or other tools on a large scale, even if many of their employees do. According to a survey by the U.S. Census Bureau of tens of thousands of U.S. businesses on the use of AI, only about 5% of companies surveyed said they used it, and more than 7% of businesses plan to use it. Use within 6 months. A September 2023 survey found that small companies tend to use AI more often than large companies. However, in recent times, large companies have increasingly invested heavily in artificial intelligence, recruiting groups of experts and purchasing necessary equipment. A poll of large companies by Morgan Stanley Bank found that AI pilot projects increased between 9% and 23% between the beginning and the end of 2023. Some big companies are continuously conducting experiments to find effective methods of using AI, recruiting thousands of AI experts. Last year, Jamie Dimon, boss of J.P. Morgan Chase, said the bank had found 300 tasks suitable for using AI. Meanwhile, according to Capgemini, a consulting company, more than 500 tasks were discovered that could take advantage of artificial intelligence functions. And Bayer, a large chemical company, said it will use AI for 700 tasks. Some companies are developing software from AI, such as Microsoft's GitHub Copilot software, a tool that supports users in Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, Neovim and JetBrains integrated development environments. Amazon, Google, and Apple are also said to be using the software.